What's the one tool you're guaranteed to use every single day, no matter where you are or what you do? If you answered with anything other than a pocket knife, you're missing out. In 2026, a quality folding knife is not a luxury. It's a fundamental piece of gear that solves 100 small problems between sunrise and sunset. But with countless options, how do you find a reliable, high-performance blade without blowing your budget? You've come to the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 7 best pocket knives you can get for under $100. Number 7. CRKT Pilar. Kicking off our list at number 7 is the knife that proves personality and performance don't have to be expensive. The CRKT Pilar. This isn't just a tool. It's a piece of industrial design that has developed a massive following. Designed by the renowned Jesper Voxnes, the Pilar features a distinctive, stout sheep's foot blade that's incredibly useful for controlled slicing and push cuts. Its compact sub-6-inch overall length makes it disappear in your pocket, yet the pronounced finger choil and broad handle give you a shockingly secure, full-handed grip. While the base model uses affordable 8CR13 MOV steel, CRKT now offers upgraded versions with D2 steel for better edge retention, all while staying well under our $100 limit. The frame lock is solid, and the overall heft of its stainless steel handles feels reassuringly substantial. It's the perfect gateway knife for someone new to EDC or a trusted backup for the seasoned enthusiast. The Pilar manages to be approachable, unique, and highly capable, making it an undeniable value champion and a fantastic place to start our top 7. Number 6. Kizer Begleiter. Coming in at number 6 is a knife that delivers a premium feel at a mid-range price. The Kizer Begleiter. Kizer has built a stellar reputation for offering high-quality construction usually found in more expensive knives, and the Begleiter is a prime example. This sleek folder features a classic and versatile 3.5-inch drop-point blade, crafted from reliable VG10 steel, known for holding a good edge and resisting corrosion. The action is where it really shines, with a smooth deployment via thumb studs on phosphor bronze washers that feels refined and satisfying. The textured G10 handle provides excellent grip without being abrasive, and the overall design is slim and pocket-friendly. Weighing in at under 4 ounces, it carries lightly but feels solid in use. Available in multiple color variations, the Begleiter, which aptly means companion in German, lives up to its name by being a dependable, go-anywhere tool that handles daily tasks with ease. It offers a level of fit, finish, and cutting performance that makes it feel like a knife costing much more, securing its spot as a top-tier value pick. Number 5. Ontario RAT2 in D2, landing in the middle of our list at number 5, is a legend in the budget knife world. The Ontario RAT2. This knife has been a top seller and reviewer favorite for years because it simply gets everything right. We're specifically highlighting the D2 steel version, which takes an already great design and upgrades it with a superior blade material known for excellent edge retention. The 3-inch drop-point blade is a perfect legal carry length for most areas and features a utilitarian shape that excels at everything from opening boxes to food prep. The handle, made from durable nylon, is famously ergonomic, contouring to the hand for a comfortable and secure grip during prolonged use. The liner lock is robust and easy to operate, and the overall build is reassuringly tough without being heavy. Ontario Knife Company has created a benchmark with the RAT2, a no-frills, purpose-built tool that you can use hard without worry. It represents the pinnacle of pure, functional value and remains one of the best recommendations for anyone seeking a reliable, do-it-all EDC knife on a budget. Number 4. Spyderco Tenacious. At number 4, we have the knife that brings iconic Spyderco design within reach, the Spyderco Tenacious. As one of Spyderco's most accessible models, it offers a fantastic introduction to the brand's legendary ergonomics and cutting geometry. It features a versatile 3.39-inch leaf-shaped blade with Spyderco's signature thumb hole, allowing for easy, ambidextrous opening. The blade is made from 8CR13 MOV steel, a Chinese stainless that is tough, easy to sharpen, and holds a respectable edge for its price class. Where the Tenacious truly shines is in its hand feel. The G10 handle scales are expertly textured for a supremely secure grip, and the forward finger choil lets you choke up on the blade for detailed, controlled cutting. The liner lock is solid, and the overall construction feels substantial and well-made. While it's manufactured in China, the quality control is excellent, delivering the Spyderco experience at a fraction of the cost of their USA-made or Japanese models. For anyone wanting to experience why Spyderco has such a devoted following without spending over $100, the Tenacious is the perfect and proven entry point. Number 3. Civivi Elementum. Breaking into our top 3 is a knife that redefined expectations for budget-friendly blades, the Civivi Elementum. This folder has achieved near-mythical status for its outstanding build quality, which rivals knives costing 3 or 4 times its price. For around $50, you get a beautifully finished tool with a snappy, drop-shot action activated by a flipper tab, something rarely found at this price point. The blade is just under 3 inches, typically in D2 or other good value steels, and is ground thin for excellent slicing performance. The handle is sleek, with contoured G10 scales that offer great comfort and carry. Civivi has also embraced the Elementum's popularity by releasing it in a staggering array of configurations. Different blade shapes, handle materials, colors, and even locking mechanisms, so you can truly find one that matches your style. It's a knife that feels sophisticated in hand and operates with a smoothness that brings a smile to your face. The Elementum proves that you don't need to compromise on refinement or fidget-friendly fun when shopping under $100, making it a definitive modern classic and a must-consider option. Number 2. Kershaw Iridium. Our runner-up is a standout star from an iconic American brand, the Kershaw Iridium. This knife represents incredible value for USA-made craftsmanship. It boasts a rugged D2 steel blade, known for its durability and edge retention, and pairs it with Kershaw's excellent Duralock crossbar-style locking mechanism. This lock is not only very strong, but also provides a supremely satisfying and fidget-friendly action for opening and closing. The handle is made from aluminum, giving a light but solid feel, and it comes with a reversible deep carry pocket clip for discreet, ambidextrous carry. The Iridium strikes a perfect balance between a work-ready tool and a sleek, everyday companion. It's tough enough for demanding tasks, but refined enough for daily carry. In a market where American-made knives often command a premium, the Kershaw Iridium delivers that coveted made-in-USA quality and reliable performance at a price that feels almost too good to be true, rightfully earning its place as the number 2 pick. Number 1. Spyderco Delica 4, and now, claiming the number 1 spot as the best pocket knife under $100 is a legend that has stood the test of time, the Spyderco Delica 4. This knife is the total package, offering a perfect blend of size, performance, ergonomics, and proven reliability. Its 2.9-inch VG10 steel blade is a slicing marvel, extremely sharp, corrosion-resistant, and easy to maintain. The blade length is ideal for navigating various local carry laws, while still being highly capable for 95% of daily tasks. The handle, made from fiberglass reinforced nylon, FRN, is incredibly lightweight yet tough, and its ergonomic shape fits the hand like a glove, providing outstanding control and comfort. The signature round thumb hole allows for easy, one-handed opening, and the robust lockback mechanism offers secure, worry-free use. The Delica 4 is a knife you can buy with absolute confidence. It has been refined over decades, used by countless people in real-world conditions, and consistently praised for its no-nonsense functionality. It's not the flashiest knife, but it is arguably the most competent, dependable, and well-executed folding knife.